Have you ever wondered why the sun, a celestial body that seems so consistent in our lives, can suddenly disappear, if only for a few moments? The event we're discussing today is none other than the solar eclipse, a cosmic ballet that has both fascinated and terrified humans for millennia. Solar eclipses are an astronomical spectacle that occurs when the moon, in its orbit around Earth, positions itself directly between the sun and our planet. This alignment casts a shadow on Earth, obscuring the sun's light for a brief period. But why does this happen? And why doesn't it occur every time the moon orbits the Earth? To understand this, we need to delve a little deeper into the mechanics of our solar system. The moon's orbit around the Earth is not a perfect circle, but an ellipse, and it's tilted at about 5 degrees to the Earth's orbit around the sun. This tilt is what makes solar eclipses relatively rare events. Most of the time, as the moon revolves around the Earth, it's either a little above or below the line between the Earth and the sun. But approximately twice a year, the moon finds itself directly between the Earth and the sun, causing a solar eclipse. There are 3 types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. Total solar eclipses are perhaps the most dramatic, occurring when the moon completely covers the sun. Partial solar eclipses happen when the moon only partially obscures the sun, and an annular eclipse occurs when the moon is too far from the Earth to completely cover the sun, leaving a ring of sunlight visible. Now you might be wondering, why are solar eclipses so short? Why doesn't the sun disappear for hours at a time? The answer lies in the relative speeds of the Earth and the moon. The moon's shadow moves at roughly 1 kilometer per second across the Earth's surface, and the Earth itself is rotating. This combination of movements results in the typically brief duration of a solar eclipse. To recap, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon positions itself directly between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow on Earth. The elliptical and tilted orbit of the moon makes these events relatively rare, happening approximately twice a year. The 3 types of solar eclipses, total, partial, and annular, depend on the moon's distance from the Earth and its alignment with the sun. The duration of a solar eclipse is short due to the relative speeds of the Earth and the moon. Solar eclipses are not just fascinating events for astronomers and sky watchers. They have shaped historical events, influenced culture and art, and provided valuable scientific insights, particularly in the field of general relativity. So the next time you witness this celestial spectacle, remember, you're not just watching the moon pass in front of the sun. You're witnessing a dance of celestial bodies, governed by the precise laws of physics, and part of a tradition of human fascination that stretches back to the dawn of civilization.